What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be replacing the spark plugs on a 2011 Jeep Patriot. Just got done doing the oil, so the next thing I need to tackle are spark plugs. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, hope you guys heard that. Let's go over what you need. You need 4 spark plugs. I went with the ZFR5 Fix-11, 4 of them. You're gonna need a spark plug, socket, got an extension, a ratchet, and I think for the coils, you're gonna need a T25, and then we need a torque wrench to torque them all down. All right, so let's go ahead and remove this cover. Just pops off. This is a dusty one. All right, so there are 4 coils and then there is a little electrical connection. So you just need to push it down and pull it off. I'm just gonna do one at a time just to be safe. So we need to remove the coil. But before I do any of that, I'm going to clean the area first just so we don't get any dirt or grime falling in there. Alright, so we got an extension on the ratchet, and then we have a 5/8 spark plug socket. So that isn't long enough. Got a long ratchet, so let's get this bad boy out of here. That thunder out there, holy cow. Alright, so we got the old spark plug out. Here is the new spark plug. Camera's not focusing. Honestly, this one, the old one's not too bad. Just want to make sure the gap's about the same. These are pre-gap, but it's always best to double check. So it's good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the new spark plug in, and then we'll repeat it on the 3 other cylinders. All right, so I just dropped it in. It's always something when you're working on a car, you know. The socket with the grommet isn't working. The magnet isn't working. But we got it in there. I'm gonna tighten it up. And then I'm gonna go back through with a torque wrench. And these are set at 20 foot-pounds, so. Okay. And then we're going to reinsert the coil. Push it down, and then go ahead and reinsert the bolt. And then we're gonna go ahead and reinsert the connection. And then we're gonna repeat that process on the other 3. All right, on to the last one. Finally found a better angle for you guys. You know, I'm not a big Jeep fan. My wife has had a 2015 Jeep Wrangler JK. We just sold it. It was a good car, just wasn't practical for our needs. But this Jeep Patriot has almost 155,000 miles. Bought it for my mother-in-law, or I guess I found it for my mother-in-law about 2 years ago. Don't remember how many miles it had on it, but almost 155. I have been the only one to work on it, besides staying on top of oil changes. The little notification on the dash pops up saying change oil. We've just done brakes. What else have we done? We've done brakes front and back, oil changes. But yeah, this Jeep Patriot, it's been pretty solid. Just oil changes, engine air filters, front and back brakes. That's pretty much it. I am definitely surprised at 155,000 miles. It's had no major issues. So, you know, that just goes to show, just keep up on your maintenance. Change the oil when it says change the oil between every 3,000 and 5,000 miles. I don't even think this needed spark plugs, but my mother-in-law wanted to get them done, so it's usually a 20-minute job, but when you're filming, it takes twice as long. So let's get the engine cover back on. All right, so fresh oil change, new spark plugs. Let's let's make sure everything starts. So starts right up, runs smooth. I'm just gonna reset the oil filter light on it and then I'm done. I appreciate you guys watching. If you guys have any questions or concerns, you can leave a comment in the comment section below. I check. As soon as there's a comment, I get a notification. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate you guys watching and supporting me. And that's it. You guys have a good night.